Here, yes, ma'am. Welcome. Finally, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hello. Hello, everyone. We are processing for Canada immigration with our Canadian immigration consultant, ma'am, Benji, ma'am, and the assistant, ma'am. I would like to tell you, everyone, that immigration is the process of movement of people from one country to another. So today we are here. We are discussing about Canada with few queries that we are raised by many of our clients, that how the things are going, how we can process the file, how the things will be running through. So here we have a ma'am. She will let us know all the things regarding to Canadian things. So let's start with some questionnaire, ma'am. Please welcome. I'll welcome you to our session.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you for inviting me to the live session. And I would like to introduce me to who is listening to us. Hi, everyone. Good morning. My name is Bensi Justin. I'm joining with this live session from Ontario, Canada. And I'm the representative for Canada Immigration. We are based in Ontario. And I'm also a licensed Canadian immigration consultant for Canada Immigration. And
Welcome, welcome.
we are here to interact with the candidates who are interested to migrate to Canada and to answer some concerns that they usually ask when they are deciding to migrate to Canada. Please go ahead with the questions, Sneha.
Yes, surely. So there are many clients, ma'am. Regularly, they are asking for few basic questions that are rising by day-to-day things, like what is the basic qualification for immigrating to Canada? Basic things. What a person need.
The basic qualification is we would suggest to have a bachelor's degree at least, because the Canadian immigration system is completely based on a point-based system, right? So at least a bachelor's degree is required, or a 3-year diploma is also acceptable if they have done the program from a recognized university or a trade school. And on a case-to-case basis, we can accept a 2-year diploma candidate as well. But for example, I can give you a scenario. For example, if they have a relative in a specific province, and for that specific reason, they will be getting 20 points, up to 20 points. So even if they don't have a master's degree or a bachelor's degree, they will be compensating the point on the other side with a relative. So in such cases, we can accept a candidate who is having a 2-year diploma. So it depends upon case to case, but normally we prefer a candidate with at least a bachelor's degree or a 3-year diploma.
Okay, so it's a basic question. So everyone, I think I got answered that the basic qualification is graduation. Now next is the minimum experience in working, like people who are working from many years, or some are fresher. They are just looking at what is the basic experience in job they are need to apply for Canada.
Uh, to immigrate to Canada, the basic requirement for experience is at least 1 year full-time continuous experience. There should not be a break in between that period. Like 1 month gap can affect the immigration procedure. So it should be at least 1 year continuous experience. And if they have more years of experience, it would give them more points. Up to 3 for federal program, up to 3 years of experience would help them. And for provincial programs, up to 10 years of experience within the last 10 years, if they have 10 years of experience, that would give more points to them.
Okay. Now the next, that is the basic requirement for Canada, that IELTS score. How
Yes.
IELTS score a candidate should have?
The minimum requirement for IELTS is at least individual 6, and the IELTS they should clear is general IELTS. There are two kind of IELTS, right? Academic and general. For immigration, they should clear general IELTS.
Okay. Okay, next, ma'am, like when we have international clients, and even many countries have like language things, that does being bilingual help to increase in the point? If knowing any two languages, like
Yeah,
candidate.
Yeah, I got it. I'm sorry. If the candidate is proficient in English and French, they would be getting more points for that. Bilingual candidates have more options than a candidate who is just proficient in English. They will be having more provincial programs open for them, like Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Ontario. All these provinces have programs where they give priority for candidates who are bilingual. And if a candidate is bilingual, they will get up to a maximum of 50 points in the CRS score as well for the federal program. So that helps in a lot of ways. Or the candidates can apply for Quebec immigration as well. So being bilingual or being proficient in French is really helpful. Yes, of course.
Okay. Now, when a candidate is applying any file and he is not sure about the things, that how the things are going on processing. So, what is the factors that affect to 100% success rate? So, he should move in a manner that he should get 100% success in their application.
Okay, that is a very good question. Normally, people ask, how can I get through 100%? Can you give me a surety of 100% success? To be honest, nobody can give a guarantee about 100% success. It is under the discretion of a visa officer. But to avoid rejections, based on our experience, what we do is when we submit the documents, we would advise our clients to be truthful about their documents, whatever the documents that they are providing, especially the experience certificates, most of the candidates manipulate it. But what happens is these documents have immigration department would be verifying these documents. And if they find it out, then the file would get rejected. And sometimes the candidates even get a ban for 5 to be truthful with the document, should not submit any false documents, and there should not be any mismatch between the information what they are providing. Then, in a normal case, there won't be a rejection for the file unless they have a medical inadmissibility for the main applicant or any of the family members, a criminal inadmissibility. These factors would affect them. If they have a criminal background or a medical issue, this might affect. Again, from case to case, it is different. If it is a minor issue with the if they have, I'm sorry, if they have a health problem, like which is not going to be having excessive demand on the Canadian system, then there won't be any issue. But if they have a medical issue which they will be depending too much on the Canadian healthcare system, there are chances for rejection.
Okay, that means
So you
medically they should be sound.
I'm sorry. Can you please say that again?
Yeah, that means medically they should be sound. Documents should be perfect with the proof, like and it should not be any trustworthy issues. And third is all the requirements they should match. Only the simple things are there. If they will go and flow, they can find it out 100% success rate.
Yeah. Finally,
Exactly.
the visa officer would be deciding based on all these factors whether they can admit this candidate. So we cannot give 100% guarantee to anyone, not just us. Nobody can give 100% guarantee. The visa officer would be deciding. But we can avoid rejections by taking care of the documentation part. Of course, yes.
Yes. So with that point, I would like to tell all my audience that in that scenario, if you are applying for online, this is the point where consultant can help you with all the documents. If you are applying for, they'll help you with the things. Now we're going with the next question that is uprising right now a lot, that is this pandemic COVID-19 has any impact on Canada immigration? Can Canada apply right now or not? And this is the most and frequent question of the time.
Yeah, I know. We get a lot of questions like that.
Okay.
Uh, to be honest, Canada immigration haven't stopped because of this pandemic. It was never stopped. They are continuously accepting applications and the processing is going on as normal as usual. And till September, they were focusing, the invitations were being focused inside Canada applicants. But by September, they have changed to back to normal. Everything is in a normal way. Processing is going on. Invitations are being given. So that is not affecting the system at all. But In some countries, for example, in India itself, the VFS centers, visa facilitation centers, are being closed temporarily, which means the candidates are not able to give the biometrics. So what the immigration department is doing, they are giving extensions for the candidates from those countries. Whenever the VFS is open, they can submit the fingerprints. That is the only missing document, and they can submit the fingerprints. And after that, immediately they would be doing the processing. So rest of the procedures, there is no such restrictions. Everything is going on very smoothly. So there is no problem to apply for the immigration process with Canada.
So it's a smooth process right now, and they're accepting more files than any other country, as in news.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Now, one question that is all youngsters mainly have when they are leaving for Canada, that when I'll be reaching there or I'll be applying for it, how will I get my job there? How the job procedures will help and while applying for this, because the security for job is must while applying the thing. So
Okay.
everyone has
Everyone
that.
have, yeah, everyone have this concern, like moving to a new place, how they are going to get a job. So here they would be coming in as a permanent resident. They compare, normally the clients compare moving to Canada, same, it is, they think that it is almost same like moving to Middle East or something. They don't need to worry about it because to Middle East, they are going in a work visa. They are not going there in a permanent resident visa, right? But in Canada, they are as a permanent resident. They have the right, almost same like a Canadian citizen, but they don't have the right to vote, and they cannot apply for high security jobs like some government jobs, example, military jobs. Other than that, they have the privilege and security almost same like a citizen. And for
Uh,
applying a job, here everything is online. So while once they get the PR, they can start applying online. And if they are proficient in English, and if they have enough experience in it, and if they are able to clear the interview, same like appearing an interview in a metro city in India, it is almost same like that. They don't need to worry about it. And one most important thing is if they are into a regulated profession like nurses or doctors or something like that, then once they are in Canada, they need to clear the licensing exam. That is the most important part to work in their profession. So once they clear the licensing exam, they are good to go with their profession. It
okay,
might
okay.
take
So
a
this
little
is
time. That's it.
okay.
Maybe
This
6
was
months or 1 year.
so they can apply directly, like they are applying for in their country, like sending resume and just applying online for the job. It's a easy task for them
Yes,
after getting
obviously. Yes.
after applying for PR. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So these were the all basic questions
Okay.
regarding the things that clients are regularly coming through, and so I would like to tell everyone who has joined that thank you. And if you are having any queries, please let us know. We are here to resolve the things. And first foremost, we have bought with the basic questionnaire. And if you have any queries, we can get back to. And we are extremely thank you, ma'am. You have given us your valuable time to
Thank
query
you.
the things. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. So you are learning it. This is okay. So bye bye. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you
a
so much.
great day.
Bye. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.